Hello there.
Hello there.
Come shop with me.
Come talk for me.
Look at Summer.
What's for me, your money?
Fix your hat. Go find some sunglasses, Summer. Go find some sunglasses. Summer, look at the video. You want video? Look. Good, how are you? Don't take it off.
Hold it. Banana.
Okay, but try that on. Let me see. Summer, look. Close it up. Close it up. Show me your glasses. You trying on other glasses? They got nail polish too. These glasses are cute, Summer. It's over here, look. What's your favorite color? What color is that? Huh? Purple. Put it back.
I want to buy it.
No, come on, let's go help Monty. She gotta get her outfit.
I'll buy it.
Come on. Put that back. That's a sleeping pack. You don't need that. Put that back.
I like it.
Okay, put it back. All right, smile. Do a silly face.
I need money.
Okay, do a silly face. Oh, those are cute. You like it?
I'll go with it.
All right, come on.
Wait.
Go to the cash register. Go to the cash register. I'll give it to you. Say hi. Here, Chunksy. You gotta wait. Wait till she rings it up first. Hold it. Say hello to everybody on the camera. Look.
Hi.
Say hi. Get your bag. What do you say?
You're welcome. It's my bag.
Yeah, come on, let's go. Let's go.